Welcome to Full Spec Motors, where every detail drives passion. Front view. This is the stunning Aston Martin DB12. Its front design captures the perfect blend of aggression and elegance with sharp LED headlights and the iconic Aston Martin grille. The sleek bonnet lines add character and strength. Side profile. From the side profile, the DB12 looks like it's moving even when standing still. Its long hood, short rear and flowing roofline define true Grand Touring proportions. The black roof and chrome detailing add a touch of contrast and luxury. Rear view. At the rear you'll find slim LED tail lights that stretch beautifully across the back. The dual exhausts and sculpted bumper highlight its performance roots while keeping things incredibly stylish and modern. Interior dashboard. Inside the Aston Martin DB12, the dashboard welcomes you with a mix of premium leather, carbon fiber and digital tech. The floating infotainment screen is both elegant and responsive. The entire cabin is crafted with the driver in mind. Steering and display. Look at the steering wheel wrapped in fine leather. It feels sporty yet refined. Behind it is a fully digital cluster displaying navigation, performance data and driver info in high definition. Seats and comfort. The seats are sculpted for comfort and support, wrapped in hand-stitched leather with options for heating, cooling and memory functions. Every detail from the stitching to the padding speaks luxury. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the DB12 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering over 670 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 3.5 seconds. The performance is thrilling yet smooth and balanced. Wheels and brakes. The wheels are a piece of art themselves. Lightweight alloy with the Aston Martin logo and large red brake calipers peeking through, giving both style and stopping power. Tech and features. When it comes to technology, the DB12 features the latest infotainment system with Apple CarPlay navigation and customizable drive modes. The cabin also includes a premium sound system and ambient lighting for that extra touch. Final look and price. And here's the final look. The Aston Martin DB12, standing proud, a symbol of British craftsmanship, performance and luxury, perfectly captured in every angle. DB12. The price of this masterpiece starts at $245,000, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury performance category. Like, share and subscribe to Full Spec Motors for more power and performance.